Hey guys, Annie here, one half of the Social Sisters. Today we're going to be talking about choosing the right media size in Canva. Now you might be wondering, does media size actually matter? No, have a good day. I'm just kidding. Of course it matters. Of course, because you're going to be spending all of this time in Canva and you're going to be making this beautiful post and you're going to be putting your personal branding touch on it. And you're going to be so excited to post it. And then you're going to go to Instagram and realize that it doesn't work. So we want to avoid that. So the best post size that you're going to go with is just going to be the classic square. This fits a lot of information in. It's nice and condensed. It's nice and easy when scrolling. Everyone's used to seeing it. A square is nice and good to go. For Instagram, the tallest that you can do is dimension size 4 wide by 9 tall. So if you go any taller than that, if you have a nice long skinny post, it's going to be cropped to that 4 by 9 and all of your information is not going to fit. And that is what we want to avoid. So the best thing to do in Canva is to actually look up the type of post that you want to create because they have a lot of beautiful templates and they have the size that is good to go. So, looking at it again, the Instagram post, the square, we all know it, we all love it. It's a really great one to go with. So, you can see they have some different options here. I opened one up that has a nice little home quote. So, this is nice and easy, as mentioned a million times before. And if you want to create a Facebook post or a Facebook cover, excuse me, let's say you want to put your personal branding on your page. That Facebook cover is really kind of wide and squatty, or wad and squatty. So if you have a square post, it's going to crop it so that you can only see that much of the square, and that's not what you want. To avoid that, what you're going to do is up in the corner, you're going to type in Facebook cover, and this is going to give you some nice, pretty options to choose from. So you can go with one of these, or you can click create a blank Facebook cover, and that's where you can begin to create your own. So, just an idea again, you can put a nice little quote about home and put that on, or you can choose a different template to work from, but that is a video for another time. So, when it comes to social media posts, size does matter. So, before you begin any of your creating, make sure to take a little bit of time, make sure that you have the right dimensions for your post so that when you're done, you can show it off and impress everybody. So, until next time, have fun looking around and creating posts, and we'll be back next week with another quick tutorial.